students. This is the chapter of class 7th, Desert, an alien hand. Chapter The Desert. I am Anjula Agarwal. Let us discuss this chapter. A desert is generally without water and vegetation. A desert may be too hot as the Thar and cold like Ladakh. An oasis is like a green island in the middle of the desert. All living things, including plants and animals, need water to survive, but desert plants and animals require less water to survive than other plants and animals. Camels can do without water for days together. They sweat very little. Camels can stand high body temperature. As you know, it is known the ship of the desert. Major feature of all desert is dryness and variation in the temperature. Since there is no moisture in the air, the desert heats up rapidly during the day and also cools off rapidly at night. So, what is the moral of the story? Deserts play an important part in nature's cycle of life because they are hot and dry. We should not ignore them as they are useless on the earth. So now we will discuss the questions of this chapter. First is, from the first paragraph, pick out two phrases which describe the desert as most people believe this. It is an endless stretch of sand, waterless and without shelter. Second is, pick out two phrases which describe the desert as especially it. A beautiful place, the home of a variety of people, animal and plants. Next question is, which do you think is an apt description? Apt means suitable, and why? Description. Second is apt. Human experience tells us so. Comprehension check. See page number 19. A camel can do without water for days together. What is the reason given in the text? The reason is that the camel sweats very little. It can therefore retain the water it drinks for long periods of time. Next question, how do the smaller desert animals fulfill their need for water? The smaller desert animals spend the day in the underground burrows to escape the heat. Some of them eat other animals and get the water they need from the moisture in the meat. Others eat plant and get the water they need from plant juices. Next question, in a desert the temperature rises during the day and falls rapidly at night. Why? In humid climates, the air has moisture that protects the earth's surface from the heat of the sun. Since deserts have no moisture cover, they heat up rapidly during the day and cool off rapidly at night. Thank you, students.